Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the My Currency application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So in this application you can convert different currencies. For example, you can set a base currency and then you convert it to different countries' currencies, so it's very useful. For example, if you're traveling or you just want to see the current currencies, in the settings section you can set the number of decimals, and you can set the updates as well. You can add many currencies to your home page, so you will find all the available ones here. You can also delete them if you're no longer interested in. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.